I'm sure you've heard the news, the whispers in online forums, the headlines that seem almost too good to be true. It feels like everyone, everywhere is talking about one thing: artificial intelligence. But this isn't just some far-off futuristic concept anymore. It's here right now, and it's quietly creating a new wave of entrepreneurs. Americans are cashing in with AI side hustles. And I'm not talking about pocket change or complex code-heavy projects that require a computer science degree. I'm talking about a tangible, achievable goal, an extra $5,000 a month. In this video, we're cutting through all the noise. No fluff, just 5 real, practical AI-powered side hustles you can start today and scale to that $5,000 a month mark by 2025. We'll cover prompt engineering, AI content funnels, niche chatbots, AI creative services, and even building your own micro SaaS. For each one, we'll break down what it is, who to sell it to, how to price it, and the exact math to hit your income goal. This is your blueprint. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, one of the most foundational and in-demand skills in the AI economy: prompt engineering for businesses. This isn't just about asking an AI to write a poem. It's the art and science of crafting highly specific, repeatable instructions that command an AI to perform complex business tasks flawlessly every single time. Think of yourself as a translator between a company's goals and the AI's logic. Your target clients are businesses already using AI but getting mediocre results. Marketing agencies struggling with brand voice consistency, law firms needing to summarize case files with precision, or e-commerce stores trying to generate hundreds of unique product descriptions. They don't have time to master this skill, but they know they need it. That's where you come in. To get started, you need to become a master of 1 or 2 advanced AI models, like GPT-4 or Claude 3. Your workflow is simple. Consult with the client to understand their exact needs, develop a master prompt or a set of prompts, test and refine it until the output is perfect, and then deliver it as a template or a prompt pack. Now let's talk pricing. You can offer a one-time prompt pack for a specific task, say, a set of 10 prompts for social media marketing for around $500. A better model is a monthly retainer. For $1,500 a month, you could offer prompt creation, fine-tuning, and ongoing support for a small team. The math to $5,000 a month is straightforward. Land just 4 clients on a modest $1,250 monthly retainer, and you're there. You're not just selling prompts, you're selling time. You save teams hours of frustrating trial and error. A quick pitfall to avoid: don't overpromise. Be clear that AI output always needs a final human review. For example, a freelance marketer recently helped a real estate agency develop a prompt system that generates hyperlocal market reports, saving them 20 hours of work each month. That's value. Alright, moving on to our second hustle: creating AI-powered content funnels. Businesses, especially local ones, live and die by their ability to attract and nurture customers. A content funnel does exactly that, guiding a potential customer from awareness to purchase using valuable content. But creating all that content, blogs, emails, social posts, is a massive time sink. Your ideal clients are local service-based businesses, dentists, plumbers, landscapers, boutique gyms. They are experts in their craft, not in digital marketing. They need a consistent online presence but can't afford a full-time marketing hire. You can become their outsourced AI content engine. Here's the quick start guide. You'll use a combination of tools. First, an AI writer like Jasper or Copy.ai, trained on the client's brand voice. Then, an email marketing platform like MailChimp. And finally, a social media scheduler. Your workflow: generate a pillar blog post, use AI to atomize it into a 5-part email sequence and 10 social media snippets, and then automate the distribution. This service is perfect for a recurring revenue model. A basic funnel package could include 1 blog post and its associated emails and social posts for $1,000 a month. A growth funnel, with 2 posts and maybe some short video scripts, could go for $2,000. To hit your $5,000 goal, you just need 5 clients on that basic $1,000 a month plan. The key is automation. Once you set up the system, the monthly execution becomes incredibly efficient. The main pitfall here is the set it and forget it mentality. You must emphasize that AI is a tool for efficiency, but you are the strategist. You provide the human oversight, editing, and quality control. Think of the local bakery that now has a weekly blog with baking tips and an automated email newsletter. all managed by their AI content specialist, you. That's recurring revenue. Let's talk about our third hustle, building niche chatbots. Every business website has visitors, but most of those visitors leave without taking action. A chatbot can engage them 24/7, answering questions, booking appointments, and capturing leads. But generic, dumb chatbots are annoying. We're talking about smart, specialized bots trained on a specific business's data. The key word here is niche. Don't try to build a bot for everyone. Specialize. Your target clients could be dental clinics, for a bot that answers questions about insurance and books cleanings, or local retail shops, for a bot that checks inventory and handles return queries, or even online creators, for a bot that answers common questions from their audience. Getting started is easier than you think, thanks to no-code platforms like VoiceFlow, BotPress, or Chatbase. You don't need to be a developer. Your workflow involves gathering all the client's data, FAQs, service info, policy documents, and using it to train the bot. You then design the conversation flows and integrate the bot onto their website. For pricing, a two-part model works best. Charge a one-time setup fee, say $2,500, for the initial build and integration. Then, charge a monthly maintenance and optimization fee of around $250. This covers updates, performance monitoring, and minor tweaks. To hit $5,000 a month, you just need to sell 2 chatbot builds per month. The recurring maintenance fees then become your foundation for stable, predictable income. The biggest pitfall is data privacy, especially in sensitive niches like healthcare. Always be transparent about where the data is stored and ensure you're compliant with regulations like HIPAA. A creator I know implemented a bot for her course website. It now handles 70% of inbound questions, freeing her up to create more content. That's the power of a niche bot. Okay, hustle number 4 is for the creatives. AI image and video gigs. Content is king, but visual content is the emperor. Businesses constantly need new images for ads, thumbnails for YouTube videos, and product photos for their websites. This used to take expensive photo shoots and graphic designers. Now, AI can generate stunning visuals in minutes. Your clients are everywhere. YouTubers who need a dozen thumbnails a month, e-commerce brands that need product images on different backgrounds, and marketing agencies that need to quickly test 20 different ad creatives. They need speed and variety, and you can provide it. Your toolkit will include AI image generators like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, and maybe AI video tools like Runway or Pika Labs. Your workflow is about speed. A client sends a request, you use your prompt engineering skills to generate a batch of options, you do some quick touch-ups in a tool like Photoshop, and you deliver the final assets, often within the same day. This is a volume game. You can sell thumbnail packs of 10 for $300, or offer ad creative packages with 20 image variations for $500. For product images, you could charge per image or offer a monthly retainer for e-commerce stores that are constantly adding new products. The math here is about landing multiple smaller clients. 10 clients on a $500 monthly retainer for ad creatives gets you to your goal. The fast turnarounds mean you can handle a high volume of work, leading to high margins. The ethical consideration here is transparency. Be clear that you're using AI tools, and ensure you have the commercial rights to the images you generate. A YouTuber I follow pays a freelancer $400 a month just to create and test thumbnail variations, which has doubled their click-through rate. That's a clear return on investment. Finally, the most scalable hustle of them all, building a micro SaaS using AI. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. A micro SaaS is just a small, hyper-focused version of that, designed to solve one specific pain point for a niche audience. Instead of you performing a service, you build a tool that performs the service for you, and you charge a subscription for access. The key is to solve your own problem, or a problem you see in a community you're part of. Are you a podcaster? Build a tool that uses AI to generate show notes and social media clips. Are you in sales? Build a tool that writes personalized follow-up emails. Your target audience is the niche you know best. But I can't code, you might be thinking. You don't have to. With no-code platforms like Bubble or Softer, you can build a fully functional web app. You essentially create the user interface and then connect it to an AI model via its API. Your workflow is, identify a painful, repetitive task, build a simple tool to automate it, launch it to a small audience, and iterate based on feedback. This is the holy grail of passive income, the subscription model. You could charge $29 a month for your tool. It's a low barrier to entry for customers, but it scales beautifully. To get to $5,000 a month at $29 per user, you need about 173 subscribers. That might sound like a lot, but in a global niche, it's incredibly achievable. The biggest pitfall is trying to build something too complex. Start with a minimum viable product, the simplest possible version, and get paying customers before you add more features. For instance, a tool called Tweet Hunter started as a simple way for creators to find inspiration using AI. It grew into a multi-million-dollar business. That's how you scale. Scale equals real income. So there you have it. 5 distinct paths to $5,000 a month using AI. Prompt engineering, content funnels, niche chatbots, creative gigs, and micro SaaS. Notice the pattern? Each one starts small. They all focus on solving a specific business problem, not just playing with technology. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to pick one, learn the core skills, and iterate fast. Find that first client, build that first simple tool. Then, take what you earn and reinvest it into better tools, into marketing, into yourself. $5,000 a month isn't magic. It's strategy, focus, and execution. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only question left is, which one will you start?